How to find old chats in Character AI. Need to revisit past conversations in Character AI? Here's how to find old chats using chat history. So log into your Character AI account, and then the chat history only works when you're signed in. So on desktop, click on your profile icon and then go ahead and select chat history. So you'll find your recent chats at the left side of your screen if you're using your desktop. So simply select that specific chat where you want to view the history of. So after that, you'd be able to view the chat history in here. You can use the search bar to find chats by character name or scroll through the timeline to locate older sessions. Click on any past conversation to reopen it. You can continue chatting from where you left off or start a new thread with the same character. Remember, deleted chats cannot be recovered. Pin important chats to keep them at the top. Your history syncs across devices when logged into the same account, and that's how to find old chats in Character AI.